Following the commemoration of our National Heroes Day, why don't we drop by Intramuros and relive the remaining moments of Rizal? Mai will tell us more.
Hello friends, Mai Mapili here, your favorite travel mate. New Year means new adventure, and for today, we need not stray far. I suggest we explore our historical sites here in the city. Let us start the year by visiting our very own Intramuros, the walled city of Manila founded in 1571. The city is surrounded by thick adobe walls to protect the inhabitants from pirate attacks. In the late 1500s, construction began on a series of stone walls and fortifications that would eventually enclose a pentagonal area approximately 0.67 square kilometer in size, within which lay a tight system of streets and a main square surrounded by government structures. Within the protective walls rose a city of stone palaces, churches, monasteries, convents, schools, and fine courtyard houses. Intramuros served as the capital of the Spanish East Indies, the center of commerce, education, government, and religion in Spain's distant imperial possession. As one steps into the cobbled stones, one cannot help but feel transported into another world, where old casas, calesas, antiquated street lamps crowd the landscape. Our very own national hero, Rizal, was incarcerated in one of the dungeons while waiting to be executed. Some of his personal belongings and original works may be found and lovingly preserved by the National Historical Commission. To get to the walled city, Manila's taxis are probably the easiest and most direct way of reaching Intramuros from elsewhere in Metro Manila. Or you might take a train ride up until the nearest railway station, the Central Terminal, and ride a very short taxi ride or experience riding the jeepney from Quiapo Church. Take the jeepney with Pierre's signboard and get off right in front of the Manila Cathedral. What to visit in Intramuros? Walk the cobblestone in visiting the San Agustin Church, the Manila Cathedral, and the Palacio del Gobernador, and other fascinating places. If you do lose your bearings, don't panic. Keep in mind that except for a small section near the river, the entire district is surrounded by walls, so there probably isn't much of a chance that you'll end up outside the city. A quick look at the map and a little help from passers-by should easily put you back on track. Well, that's it for now. Join me again next time as we open doors to explore. Take care, bye!